Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I make my DIY Shea Mango Butter. And here are some of the ingredients that I will be using. And I'm going to go ahead and weigh everything out for my batch size. So I will be using my beaker along with my weighing scale. And first I'm going to start off with the Shea Butter. Some of the benefits of Shea Butter is that it has anti-inflammatory properties. It helps reduce redness and scalp irritation without clogging pores. It also strengthens the hair follicles, reduces hair loss, and makes hair grow thicker. It prevents breakage, moisturizes hair with vitamins A and E. It has a high content of fatty acids that reduces dryness and prevents split ends. It increases shine and reduces frizz. So I'm just weighing the Shea Butter out because I'm going to be giving this away to a few of my family members, and I just wanted to do little sample sizes for everybody to try out. So they are very, very excited in this. And then we are going to go in with the mango butter. Mango butter contains vitamins A, C, and antioxidants. It moisturizes dry, brittle hair and strengthens the overall structure of the hair. It repairs split ends, adds volume. It has UV protectant quality, which helps protect the scalp and hair from the sun. It also aids in the treatment of dandruff and slowing of hair loss. Next, I'm going to go in with my jojoba oil. I love jojoba oil. It conditions hair. It is lightweight. It contains fatty acids that protects hair from damage, prevents dandruff, contains zinc, which increases hair growth and thickens the hair. It offsets gray hair appearance and strengthens the hair follicles. And then I'm going in with the grapeseed oil, which moisturizes and conditions hair without weighing it down, helps to fight dandruff, contains antioxidants and omega-6 fatty acids that have been shown to boost hair growth. And then I am going in with some coconut oil, which moisturizes the hair, reduces breakage, protects hair from protein loss and damage, contains lauric acid, so it is easily absorbed into the hair shaft. The vitamins in coconut oil helps to remove sebum buildup from the hair follicles, which speeds up growth. And then I am just putting everything into my double broiler so I can melt the butters down. And once that is melted down, you're going to have everything that is going to be liquefied, as you see here. And I'm just going to cover that, and I'm going to put that in the freezer for about 25 minutes until it solidifies, but doesn't solidify too much, because we are going to whip this and make this into a whipped shea butter. So right now, after everything has cooled off, you want to add your essential oils in. So I am adding my mango fragrance along with my lemongrass. And we are just going to whip, 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 whip. And I probably whip this for about 10 minutes. And then I put it back into the fridge so it could kind of solidify again, because I wanted to double whip it. But you can also triple whip it or whip it as much as you want. But I did double whip this batch. So I am just whipping with my whisk attachment, which I like to use the whisk attachment. And then after it is double whipped, this is what the consistency is going to look like. It's going to be very fluffy. It's going to kind of look like a frosting or kind of like a whipped cream. And then as you see here, I'm just putting it into my containers because I am giving this away to some family. They are so excited to try this because everybody loves shea butter. You can use this on your hair or your skin. I actually use it on both. I love, love, love this recipe. There's so many ways of making it. So I hope everybody tries it out, and I want to do so many other videos just using different butters and testing things out. So let me know if you give this a try and let me know how you like it. And I will be doing another video on how I actually apply this to my hair, so definitely look out for that video, and be sure to thumbs up the video if you liked it, subscribe to the channel, and I will see everybody in the next one.